ng class, right?
So attribute directives. In the attribute directives, we learned about how to use the directive ng class. Ng class is the directive. So the purpose of ng class is to dynamically apply a CSS class. Right. Next, another important structural attribute directive, we have ng style. ng style. Actually, ng style it is used to apply inline styles dynamically for any HTML element. So that means if you want styles for an object, if you want, so without reusability concerns, so then you can define inline style binding. If we want reusability, then we use classes. Generally, styles are applied to a single element. Inline styles are defined. So already when you are applying styles, you know about class and style difference. So inline styles. So generally inline style means it is defined like this. Actually, syntactically, how do we define inline style? So we have ng style is equal to, we need to use a style object. This style object comprises of set of styles. And those styles can be dynamically changed. We can change the attributes and their values dynamically. So if we want styles individually maintained for any specific element, then we can use this ng style technique. So it is a simple example. We will see how actually it works. Right? A simple example we'll see. So this is the class binding. Yesterday we saw how to handle class binding. Validations we are not learning now. Validations related binding we will see later. So style binding, how we can use the style binding. Let's see one simple example for that. Suppose I'm adding a new component. Here. So ng generate component style demo. Okay. Skip test equal to true. So let's keep that style demo in a startup. Style demo is a new component we are generating. Let's keep this in the startup. Check. Meanwhile, in our style demo component is added. Okay, then let's define in the startup app module here style demo. So So style demo, that is the component. Okay, and in the index, style demo. Fine. Right. So this is the style demo working fine. I will add an image here. So simply I'm adding an image. So in our computer, suppose I have some images. Let's take an image. So in that images, I have some image flag. Okay, I will copy this here. So this is a simple image. It's a GIF file. GIF file. Okay. Now I'm configuring like this. Right. Now here I'm configuring in this way. So I'm defining style demo. Okay. In style demo component.ts. This is the style demo component TS. Fine. In that file, let's add some effects. So here it is not implementing. Okay, let's remove that. So the constructor, okay, gone, right. Now I don't need any init here as of now. So let's remove that init. Okay. So here I'm defining in the design. First I'm defining a HTML design. Here I'm adding a div. And in this div, I'm configuring a class as container fluid. Okay. Below this we have a div, and the style height of this div as 1000 pixel. And below this div, so I'm adding an image. Source is assets, directly one picture, flag.gif, like this. And the width is 50 and height also 50. Okay. Now what is the intention here is actually we have a div, and what is the intention of the div here is means we are configuring this, right? So in this, the main point is in the div, how you are displaying that actually. So you can observe the div is defined in this way. So we have component. Div is having 1000 pixel height. It is defined with 1000 pixel height. And after that, a picture is present. The main intention of this is nothing but the main intention is your page is having generally page height and width. Page height will be 768 pixels actually, height, and approximately it depends on the screen resolutions. It will be 1024 so pixels width. And what you have done is you taken a div. So the div height is 1000 pixel. The div height is 1000 pixel. That means usually what happens is the div will go outside that screen area.